Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, October 12th, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have NVIDIA, Radeon, and Intel graphics that are all getting updates for their drivers. If you are a gamer, of course, you might want to upgrade your device to the latest driver to improve game compatibility and performance. But also, if you are moving or have moved to the October 2018 update, the updates also tackle one other feature, and it's that it actually makes sure that the graphics driver runs smoothly in the latest Microsoft operating system. So you can check that out and update your graphics adapter if you have an update. iOS 12, the operating system for iPhones and iPads, is already on 50% of devices only a month after it's been released. So this is of course showing us one thing, is that Apple really knows how to make software updates on devices. And basically, if you look at the meager 1 or 2% of maybe Android 9 Pie on devices, you can see that actually this is good performance as usual. Slowed out. It's maybe a little slower than it was in the past. The past few iOS updates have plagued with some little problems, so I think some users are waiting a little more. A study says that the weak link in the security in our lives is our phone. Most of the Android phones that are far behind in security are a big problem, but in general, the way we use our phone also, and the fact that we often connect to unsecure networks using our device is making the security problem a little higher. And of course, this might turn bad when you are actually on mobile and on your PC. Well, Cortana is, because there's a lot of things changing on Microsoft, and once again, there's a shuffling around of the users of the different, employees and the different groups and what goes with what group. Cortana was part of the artificial intelligence group, but now that team has been actually shuffled around. The chief of the AI team is actually moving away, and Cortana is now being moved to the Office team, which has a lot of people thinking, will Cortana be the Clippy 2.0 in the future? We'll see. A report says that 10% of all emails that are received in businesses are phishing attempts that are, of course, trying to scam enterprise out of, credentials and all sorts of try to, of course, get money and try to basically just steal all the information they can off of you. And the number of emails are on the rise, so be careful in your work environment. DuckDuckGo, the search engine that promises that very interesting fact that they actually have you stay anonymous when you do searches, and also that it promises not to track you. Well, it just hit a new milestone. It's getting a little more popular. 30 million searches per day right now. It's not bad at all for a very, unknown search engine for a lot of people, compared to the fact that, we have, of course, the Google search that is the popular one, but that is, of course, tracking you a lot. So let's hope that this continues. Google Plus data breach is in the news again because many are now questioning, why did Google not say anything and about the Google Plus data breach, even though it knew for a while. A lot of users are saying it could have told us. It could have said, hey, we found this bug, and now we can tell you that some of the third-party apps and things that you do might have had some data from this data breach. And of course, there's a lot of people questioning Google and wondering maybe there should be some kind of investigation, or at least answer a few of our questions. So, is your job at risk of being stolen by robots? A company called Smart Assets is reporting that 47 U.S. states have more than 50% of their jobs that could actually be replaced by automation. The worst affected state is Nevada, where 3 jobs out of 5 could be actually replaced by robots. So this is out of a interesting study that looks at what are the jobs that could be replaced easily by automation, and we'll see. There's a lot of scare about this, the future of the job market and robots. Twitter's under investigation. It seems that when it was asked about, how do you track your users, it kind of refused to give that information, and we don't really know what they do once we are there, once we click links and move away from Twitter to other parts of the internet. What sort of tracking does Twitter actually do? Nobody knows, but because of this, we might actually know soon. Well, this was a Tech News Update for Friday, October 12th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.